Hey Stefano, this is Akram from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So what I understand is you have currently removed the MailChimp integration because you don't want it to be sending the emails to your clients. So I can't check it and test it, but what I can do is I can give you some troubleshooting steps that you need to take so that we can make sure that it's not a cache issue, either a cache issue from your device or from the server. So what you need to do is, first of all, go to the opt-in page, which is where you're getting this issue, and just rename this. So you can put in maybe a 6 in front of this, and then you scroll down and you click on update page here, okay? And then you clear your cache and your cookies for the device, and then you test it again, okay? If that doesn't work, um, then the next thing you do is you go into the editor of the page. And then you go to integrations. And here, instead of, well, you don't even have MailChimp. All right, you mentioned you have MailChimp. Did you, all right, so just click on HTML form, click on existing form, scroll down and click on parse and save web form, and then go out and click on save. After you clicked on save, you leave it for like 10 seconds, you come back, you go to integrations, and you remove the integration you had just created. Then you go out, you click on save again, and then you test it. Okay. What I'm seeing here is there's no integration for MailChimp. So probably you remove the whole thing from your account. Maybe. So, so yeah, go ahead and do that. Um, and it should actually stop that. Okay. This will reset the server cache, and you should be able to just integrate your MailChimp back into your account again, and and everything should work fine as it should. Okay, so let me know if that works. Bye for now.